Pictionary Team Relay, how to play. The object of the game is to be the first team to collect 5 discs. You earn a disc by correctly guessing 4 clues in 1 minute. Place the disc holder, discs, and timer in the middle. Divide into teams and give each team paper and pencil. Each disc has a black label indicating a category, followed by 4 clues in that category. A category and 4 clues are called a relay. The team with the youngest player goes first, then the order of play rotates. Teams also need to have a player order they keep to within their team. On your team's turn, an opposing team loads the disc holder with a new disc so that the category is lined up with the viewing window. Now, pick your first picturist and the disc holder is handed to them. They announce the category, then rotate the disc 1 click to secretly reveal the first clue, then they set it down so no one can see. Then a 1-minute timer is started. The picturist must now sketch to get their team to guess the clue. You are not allowed to use ears for sounds like or to show how many letters are in a word. You cannot use letters or numbers, speak, or use sign language. Once your team correctly guesses their clue, the picturist passes the disc holder to the next player on their team, then they rotate the clue by 1 click to look at the next clue which they draw. Repeat this process until the time runs out, or your team guesses all 4 clues in the relay. A picturist may never sketch 2 clues in a row, but they could draw multiple clues in a relay if their team has less than 4 players. If your team guesses all 4 clues correctly, then your team collects the disc. If not, then they remove the disc and set up a new one for the next team's turn. Repeat this process until one team has collected 5 discs. Then they are the winners.